I'm going to show you how to use Screencastify to record videos for your students. The first thing you need to do is install the extension on your Chrome browser. You can search for Screencastify, go to their website, and click Install. Mine's already installed. You can check if yours is installed by clicking on these three dots, choosing Settings and Extensions, and then you can see I have Screencastify installed. You'll also know it's installed when you see the little Screencastify icon in the top of your browser window. To record a video for your students, you'll open your web browser and click on the Screencastify icon, which will open the Screencastify menu. This is the Screencastify menu. If you want your recording to include a picture of you at the bottom corner, then you would embed webcam, but I don't want my picture showing, so I turn off that option and I just leave on my microphone. Once I'm ready, I click on record. This will give you the option to choose if you want to record your entire screen, which will include all your icons at the bottom of your computer and everything that you do on your screen. Or in my case, I want to record just my application window, which is Google Chrome. So I'll select that and click share. As soon as I click share, I will hear a 3-tone countdown. And once you hear that, it will begin sharing. Anything you do now on your screen will be recorded. So if I want to show the students how to, for example, go to their Google Classroom and find an assignment, I will go up to my Google Classroom, open it up. I will guide them through the procedures that I want them to follow. For example, finding their classwork or finding an assignment. And then once I'm done with that, I can just turn off the recording. To turn off the Screencastify recording, you go back up to Screencastify, you click on it and press stop. It will automatically open a new tab in your browser and place your recording there. You can watch your recording, and if you want to make any part of it shorter, you simply click on the scissors and you drag them in towards the center, and you can do this either at the beginning of your video or at the end of your video if you need to trim any part of it. Once you've chosen where you want your trim spot to be, you simply click on trim, and then you'll click trim again. And it will create a new video for you with the trimmed version. All of this is automatically saving inside your Google Drive in a folder called Screencastify. Screencastify gives you a few options of how you want to share your video. As you can see on the side, you can put it on YouTube. You can share it to your classroom, or you can get the embedding code or the link. The way that I have been doing it is I've been sharing it to YouTube, and then from there I share the link to my YouTube video in the classroom. But another way that you can do this is you can share it directly to your classroom. I have not done this option before, but it looks like it's pretty easy. You click on it, you choose which classroom you want to share it to, and then you choose how you want it to be presented to the students as an assignment or as an announcement or what you'd like to do with it. One other thing that I would like to show you is how to restart a recording if you make a mistake and you want to try again. So when you start with your Screencastify and you start your recording just like you normally would, if you start recording and realize that it's not going the way that you wanted to, or you just want to start over, you can completely redo it without it saving a recording. You click on Screencastify and you click this little reverse arrow, and it will restart the recording. It will record over whatever you did before, so it's a complete reset without creating a new recording. You can restart your recording as many times as you need to, and the nice thing about this is it doesn't keep creating a new video each time. So you can do it as many times as you need until you're satisfied with it, and of course there's always the option, if you don't like a video that you record, to just start over and do a new one. I hope that this helps you to create videos for your students using Screencastify.